Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Know About Embedded Systems. So in today's video, we're going to understand how to download STM32 Cube IDE and also how to install this STM32 Cube IDE. So that part we will see in this video. So guys, you know that already in order to develop programming for STM32 microcontroller, we required one special tool that is called as STM32 Cube IDE. So we will learn how to download and how to install. Let us start. So guys, we will see how to download the STM32 Cube IDE. You can go to Google and just type STM32 Cube IDE. So click on the link here, whatever you're seeing, and yeah, here this is the website st.com development tools. This is the website you need to visit, and if you come down here, so this is a very important thing you should know. Here you can see they're mentioning, this one you can see you can download the software from here, STM32 Cube IDE, and there are different versions are there. You can take it for this one, Windows version, you can take it, and this is the latest one, 2.11. okay, just you can, so if you're a new user to the STM website, or whenever you're visiting first time, we need to register ourselves. You can just click on this here and create your basic information, provide your basic informations. So this is my information, and you can see here in this mail ID I got a link, and you can just activate your account. You need to provide the password here. Just provide your password. Yeah, now you can see the registration has been successfully completed. So click on here to log in. So provide your email ID and so from here onwards we have to the download procedure will start here. So what we did in the previous step, just we have registered ourselves. Now we have already successfully registered here, and you can we have logged in as well, and you can select your STM32 Cube IDE Windows version, and 2.11 is the latest version. Click on download here. So same, and just accept it, and it will start downloading. You can see here, so it is started downloading. Okay, so it will take maybe approximately 500 MB to 1 GB approximately it will take. So after downloading, we have to install. So next step I will explain. So guys, after downloading, it looks like this. So just click on this. So it will start installing. It may take some time. It may take around 10 to 15 minutes to install. So let it install in one side. Yeah, you can see here it is installing. It'll take some time, so be patient. So don't be in hurry. So it is a very high-end software. So just give a time 10 to 15 minutes to install properly. Yeah, you can see here. So click on agree. Yes. The space required is 2.3 GB. So available is 27. Okay, no problem. So you need to install the drivers as well. If it is asking like this, if you have a board, you can connect the board, and as you can also do the driver installation as well. Okay, if you have a board, so I have a board, I have connected even board, and I'm trying to install. Just click on install. It will take some time, so it may take 10-15 minutes. Let it install. Okay guys, now you can see my STM32 Cube IDE successfully installed. Okay, so now click on next, and you can just create the desktop icon. And if you go to desktop, yeah, here you can see this is my STM32 Cube IDE successfully installed, and you're able to see on the screen. So with this, I just want to end my video. So please, if you feel this video is an informative video, please click on like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.